Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the official Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra case. It's called the Kindsuit case. It looks like a faux leather or almost like a silicone case. I picked this up when I got the phone about a month ago, so I just wanted to try it out for everyone. And y'all can get this from Amazon and also their website. I will have the links in the description. I reviewed two other cases from Samsung. Y'all can check out those videos in the playlist on my channel. But let's get into this one. I don't think it has MagSafe on there, but it looks like silicone. I'm not sure, but let's open this bad boy up and see what type of material it is. It's, ooh, that inside's like felt or suede. And then the back is like a faux leather, silicone. Let's smell it. Really doesn't smell like nothing. So it's like a faux leather type of case there. It has some grip though. Man, but that softness in there, that suede. But let's see how this bad boy. So bam, you do get camera protection, and the cutout is pretty precise. You do have some lip protection all the way around too. Everything lines up at the bottom there. You have a lot of room for your charging port. The pen is easy to get out. Everything lines up at the top there too. Now, this is like a case you could rock every single day, because when it comes down to being bulky or like a heavy case, no, it's not that at all. Look, I mean, it does not make your phone too much bigger than what it is. Now, it does make it a little bit bigger because you put a case on it, but when you think about heavy duty cases, this is not it. And it feels good too. I like the feel of it in your hands. Bam. Now, it doesn't look like you have MagSafe in there, but we'll try it out. And look, the fit. The fit is really good all the way around. And trying to get it out. Okay. Okay. So you have a little snap there, but the overall fit is really good. Power button is nice and tactile. The volume rockers are easy to press. You already gonna know what I'm gonna say. Give me a ridge power button there, please, Samsung. Just give me a ridge power button. But I like the grip. I like the feel of this case. The fit is really good too, but just the feel, man, you can rock this every day. But let's check it out. Look, no MagSafe, y'all. So I know that's a bummer for a lot of people, but you should be able to wireless charge, maybe, if you put it in the right spot. And there's wireless charging up there, as you can see. So yeah, no problem with wireless charging and anything like that. So, man, I don't know why they call it a Kindsuit. Maybe because it fits like a suit, but it's a nice case. Again, if you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. But let's go ahead and wrap up this video and talk about the things we like. And it checks off a lot of boxes for you. The overall fit is good. You get a lot of lip protection all the way around. You got camera protection there with a pretty precise cutout. Could it be a little bit more precise? Yes, but it's not that big old P-shaped looking cutout. Also, the buttons are nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom and the top. It's not a bulky case at all. The case feels actually good in the hands too. Pause. The fit is good. The only thing that's missing is MagSafe. So a lot of people may not pick up this case because it does not have MagSafe on there, which I understand. I mean, if you like if you want MagSafe, then you might not want to pick up this case. But if you want a solid case from Samsung, you may want to look into the description and pick it up for yourself. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.